Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to auto share your blog or post on Facebook, and I'm going to give you step-by-step tutorial with Pabbly Connect. So suppose you create blogs every day on Google Blogger and you also have a community who is following your Facebook page, and you are also posting the same blogs manually on your Facebook page. But now you're tired of doing this manually. And now you want to automate this entire process of posting the same blogs that you create on Blogger, and you want to post it on your Facebook page automatically. Now here we are going to use Pabbly Connect to automate this entire process. In Pabbly Connect, we need to set up trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Google Blogger, and in action application, I'm going to use Facebook. So whenever we create a new post on Google Blogger, then it will post the same blog on Facebook page automatically. So for this, we will create an integration between Google Blogger and Facebook. Now I'm going to show you how I can integrate this with Pabbly Connect. So for that, I need to search for pabbly.com in a new tab. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in. And you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. So for that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here, and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now we are going to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here, I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to auto share your blog or posts on Facebook. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and I'm going to select Home here. So I will click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action say do this. So trigger will be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first. And here my trigger application will be Google Blogger. So I'm going to search for that. I'm going to select this. And I have to give a trigger event. So I will open this tab, and new post added will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this, and I will connect Google Blogger with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on Connect. I'm going to click on Add New Connection, and I will sign in with Google. Now I'm going to give access to my account. So I'm going to click on Continue to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. Now we have two tabs here, blog and the status. So for the blog, I have to map my blog ID here. So for this, let's go to Blogger. And here on the top, we have this blog ID. So I have three blog IDs here, Connect, My Blog and Pabbly. And we are using my blog ID here. So I'm going to map this in Pabbly Connect. So here we have three IDs too, My Blog, Pabbly and Connect. So I'm going to select My Blog. And I have to give status. So in this, I have three options, only live, only draft and only scheduled. I'm going to select only live status. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new post in Blogger. So I will go back to Blogger. I will click here on New Post. First, I have to give the title of my post. So my title will be Importance of Social Media in 2024 and Beyond. Now I have to give content of my blog. So this is going to be the content of my blog. Now I'm going to publish this blog. So I click here on Publish. I will click on Confirm. I have created this new post on my Google Blogger account. So the title of my blog is Importance of Social Media in 2024 and Beyond. Now I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I will click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we got this new response. And if you don't get this response instantly, then don't worry. This is a polling based response and it might take about 8 hours to send the response to you. And in every 8 hours, Google Blogger will send the new responses to Pabbly Connect. So the title is Importance of Social Media in 2024 and Beyond. And we have this content. So this is the content of my blog. So these are the same details of the post that I have posted on Google Blogger. Now I have these details, so I'm going to use these details to create a new post and post the same blog on my Facebook page. So for that, I will set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab. Here my action application will be Facebook pages. So I'm going to select this. And I have to give an action event. So I will open this tab and create page post will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And I have to connect Facebook pages with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. And I will click on add new connection. I will connect with Facebook pages. I will click on continue to give access to my account. So my connection here is successful. Now I have these three details. First, I have to select my page. So for this, let's go to Facebook. So this is my Facebook page and it is named as Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to use this page and I'm going to create a new post with the same blog that I have posted on Google Blogger. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect and map this. Now for selecting my page, I'm going to open this tab and here you will find all the pages that you have connected with your Facebook account. Here I'm going to search for my page, which is Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to select this. Now I have to give the message of my post that I want to create. So for the message, I'm going to map the title and the content of my blog that I have posted on Google Blogger, and I'm going to use mapping here. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'll click here. I'm going to open this response. First, I'm going to map the title. I will give a space. And I'm going to map the content. So this is the content of my blog. So this is going to be the post that I want to create on my Facebook page. So I have mapped my details here. And if you have any link URL that you want to post on your Facebook pages too, you can fill that here too. I don't have any link URL, so I'm going to leave this blank. Now I have filled my details here. So I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see we have received this positive response. So this means we have created a new post in Facebook page. Now to check this, let's go to Facebook. I'm going to refresh this. And here in the post section, we can see I have posted this new post. So the title is Importance of Social Media in 2024 and Beyond. And this is the content of my post. So this is the same content that I have in my blog in Google Blogger, and I have posted the same thing on my Facebook page, and I have done this automatically. So here our integration between Google Blogger and Facebook is working successfully. So whenever I'm creating a new blog in Google Blogger, then I'm using the same details of those blogs. Then I'm creating a new post on Facebook pages with the same details of the blogs from Google Blogger. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have created this integration between Google Blogger and Facebook pages, that whenever I'm creating a new post in Google Blogger, then I'm using the details of that post. Then I'm creating a new post on my Facebook page with the same details. So let's summarize what we did here. First, I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Google Blogger, and my trigger event was new post added. And then I have set up my action, and my action application here was Facebook pages, and my action event was create page post. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.